This is a review of a class that I had on September 21st. We basically went over some tips. When you don't know the first word, like embrace, go ahead and skip this. And if you happen to know some additional Spanish or other words, you might be able to figure it out. My mother embraced my sister. She put her arms around my sister, so she held my sister. So it's not pushing or lifting. So we got rid of those two. We have to figure out what the other is. So we want to skip the question if you don't know the word. And if you say, that word is positive, sort of like we know that separate and splintered is negative. So splendid is positive. So we can get rid of those two, and then we have to guess which one. Let's see, this was a word, generate. So we said, okay, it's like making power. So which one makes something? Consuming is like eating something, so it couldn't be that. And burning something is not how you might burn something to generate power, but, you could have something where there's no burning going on. So generate is producing. That's the best answer there. Okay, and then cosmic was kind of like universe. That's what the student was saying, kind of like universe. So we can get the universe is not all unknown and not all of the universe is bright. So let's go with celestial. Now, new was this obscure word. Well, obscure was new to the student. So she's going to be making a card with the word obscure. And then there's splendid, solid. Those were different ones that we had. Nullify. Yeah, we have to learn what nullify is. Nullify means to cancel, so there it is. And dispute is another new word. There should be a card for dispute. Then we did hooked, was captivated. The student got that in like 5 seconds. It was great. And then if you know some Spanish or French, corazón is the center or the core, the heart. That's how nucleus is, at the heart. Now, the exterior of the house is the outside of the house. So exterior of the box. That's one way. Here's a little note about homework. Just take pictures of questions that you don't know. Send them to me. And compel was something about a force. You force people to do things. Compel. So forced to act. I was forced to act. Propulsion is a long pro. And then there's something contrapulsion. Right? Then this was the note about embrace. The student said she wants to learn Latin. That's nice. That's certainly one way of learning roots. Another way is to learn some Spanish and then just learn other languages have something similar. And ignis is from Latin, meaning ignite. So I hope you enjoy this summary, and please look for plenty of words and problems. Send them by text to me. Thank you.